just got my lawnmower taken care of here. At-home maintenance from Weingartz. Trust me, it's a game changer. This right here, coming to my house to actually work on the Cub Cadet. This is such a cool thing in one of your newer trucks too.
More convenient, especially for somebody who works the mornings, you're off in the afternoon. The nice thing is we don't have to have your mower for 2 weeks anymore. You can keep it right at your house. If you got to cut the grass, cut the grass. You don't even have to be home. If you want to leave it in your driveway, we'll come out, we'll maintenance it, and we'll leave and ready to go for you.
In 80 years of Weingartz, it's cool that you guys are always, the men and women there, you're always thinking about new ways and ways to kind of grow, not just grow the business, but make it easier for your customers.
Yes.
Tom, what are you doing?
I'm draining the oil out of it, well, sucking the oil out of it.
Is that part of the service? We can just ask what you're doing when it's obvious?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, fully stocked. Look at the cabinets in here, man. Tom, you actually built this out, didn't you?
Yep, sure did.
Can we put flames on it too while we're at it?
I'm sure we could.
Okay, hey, as long as it holds a beer, I'm good. The men and women of Weingartz are the best. They're the best, 80 years for a reason. This right here, genius. That's why I love Weingartz. My riding lawnmower, my Cub Cadet has never been better. This is cool. Weingartz.com, you gotta check it out.